Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. VSCode installed and Python 3, X available on your path. Open your project folder in VSCode and create a new Py file so you can act immediately. Install the Microsoft Python extension and enable linting and formaton save to keep code tidy. Once done, select the interpreter at the bottom right. This tells VSCode which Python to run. Make sure the integrated terminal uses the same interpreter, so execution behaves predictably. Now configure execution and debugging. Create and activate a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv so dependencies stay isolated. Once activated, pip install your packages or use requirements. txt. Select that venv as the workspace interpreter. This ensures the debugger and terminals run the same environment. Use run start debugging or press F5 to generate launch. JSON for tailored debug settings. You can set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code to find logic issues quickly. Finish by automating common actions. Add tasks. JSON for build or test commands, and set up a formatter like black for consistent style. Integrate linters such as Pylint to catch issues early. Once everything runs, commit workspace settings if needed. If something breaks, the most common fix is to confirm the selected interpreter matches your venv and that the integrated terminal inherits the correct path. Also inspect the output and problems panes for actionable messages and rerun the failing command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.